Am I actually in the screen?
Yep, you're right in the bullseye middle. And it's recording. I don't like it.
Why?
Because you're not smiling or anything.
Well, I'm not ready to shoot yet. Yo everyone, hey, what is going on? It is Memorial Day, Monday. No, I'm not going to say Happy Memorial Day because it's really not. Today is a day to remember our veterans who did not make it home, who made the ultimate sacrifice for our freedom. So let's take a moment and pause for silence to honor them. All right, and everyone on active duty or reserves or even former, thank you for your service. All right, so now that I've completed that, I'm going to give you a look here. See if I can fade back a little bit. You can see what's going on here. This is the RAV. So yes, a Toyota did sneak back in again. You already saw my video, Siless, I install. Yep, nod to Jeff Dunham. And here we are. You can see some of the metal isn't covered yet. Here's what the raw sheet metal looks like. When the factory puts things together, they put some weather seal here in between the floor plates, but that's about it. They don't put any sound deadening. The plastic panels that go on the side here do have a little bit of like a felt type of material glued on in a couple of places, but it's really pretty pathetic overall if you're looking at it from any kind of an effective sound deadening type of thought or vector. And so I am adding a bunch here. Pan back over here again, you can see the jack assembly. So I actually pulled the jack. It had 5 bolts that hold it in place, not a big deal. Got in behind there and got a look, and I laid in again the Siless material, and I've got kind of an overlapping weave pattern going on in here. So some of the areas are actually up to 4 layers, which would be 200 mils thick of the mastic visco acoustic damping, fiber acoustic, whatever the actual correct term is here. I'm going all physics now. So, as obviously you can see, some of my tools are still laying around. There's my scissors. Obviously I have not completed this job yet, but I've got a pretty good start running on here. It's overcast today, but the temperature's pretty good. Not sweating my behind off, and it hasn't rained on me, so I'm moving forward. And almost complete here. I just got to work on this last wheel arch here, and when that's done, the project will be done, and I'll have to snap all the body panels back in. So I started with a 52 square foot box. You saw in like I said, the first video, Siless, I silence you. I used up some of this material in there for the first 2 videos, and the plan was that if I had any left over, I was going to install that into the 2005 Blue RAV that my children are going to be inheriting. However, it looks like I'm going to use it all up here, so that's okay. Can always buy more, but this is coming along well, and I'm pretty confident that this is going to make a big difference, as I've covered most of the sheet metal with at least 1 layer, and probably be doing several layers. So we'll see how that works out. And so again, signing off, and that is the project for today. Happy long weekend, everyone, and I hope you're doing well. I hear that the governors are starting to open things back up again. The president has declared that churches are now considered essential, so we're going to be back to having services back in our building again very soon. I'm very excited about that as well. We've been broadcasting for way too long. We really need to get back together and be together as a people. So I hope everything's good with you, and if you're the type that attends services on a regular basis as well, hopefully your church will be back up and running very soon, and we can get over to some semblance of normal. Have a good one.